YZ250, 250F, WR450. 125. Right there. Take the 250FX U. On the Honda side. That's it right there. I'll take U. We'll compare these guys. See which one sounds better. Let's get these guys outside. Okay, we got the Honda out here. Let's go get the Yamaha. All right, both trail bikes, 250X, 250FX. We'll warm them up. We'll do a sound test real quick. Hang tight. Letting them warm up. I'm all the way back here. I can feel the exhaust. Look at my shirt here. You can feel it on my shirt. Just the exhaust is hitting me from back here. Just little puts on the Yamaha. Oh, same thing with the Honda. Feel it on my shirt, my legs. Let them warm up. Another thing to remember here on the Yamahas, the exhaust comes from back, wraps around, so the sound is quite a bit different. Wraps all the way around, and then comes out. Versus the Honda, the pipe just comes straight out and wraps out. So we'll let them warm up for another minute. Just wanted to kind of throw that in there, and then we'll give you guys a sound test. All right, both bikes are warmed up. We're gonna put the mic right here, right on the tail on both bikes. That way it's the same. And then we'll fire them up real quick. We'll give you guys a sound test. Hang tight. No, my mic. All right, on second thought, that didn't work. We're gonna attach both of them to the rotors. Hopefully my mic won't fall this time, and we'll try it again. We'll start with the Honda again on the rotor. One second. All right, let's move to the Yamaha now. Oh no, we lost our magnet. There we go. Okay, Yamaha's turn. All right, again, both these bikes are gonna sound a bit different from the stock exhaust because the way the pipe is. This one's more of a straight pipe versus wrapping all the way around. So let me know what you guys think. For factory, honestly, this 250RX is probably louder than the Yamaha 450 I have inside with the FMF pipe. And you'll find clips for that bike in my channel. I will have that video uploaded shortly as well. Thanks, guys.